Hi Science, Science of Class 5. It's going to be your class for now. This is English Unit 1 and the title of the first lesson for you is Exploring Space. It's a sad thing that we have the subtitle as Earth, the Desolated Home. See, the earth wherein we live, it has become a desolated home. It's deserted by human beings. It's empty by the time this maybe the narration takes place. And the author has rightly given a few of the important facts about how we destroy, how we pollute and destroy the Mother Nature and make the earth a place where we cannot survive. So it is the lesson is all about under the title Exploring Space. And when we talk about this space, it includes, I suppose you children are all aware of this space and things like that, you know. So space includes the universe, the sky, the moon and all the planets and all the galaxies. So all these things put together can be called as the space. And you find many people trying to reach the space, trying to explore, trying to discover, rediscover, trying to make a spot there. Now many people are trying to live over there, settling themselves down. And as such, we have a wonderful lesson here that is to come, the years to come. See, now we are in 2020. 2020 we are living with corona. No, we are facing a lot of difficulties due to this virus. And the lesson is talking about 2068. Many years later, around 48 years later, what and how the earth is going to be. This is all about our lesson. So in the year 2068, humans colonize Mars, the red planet. Mars, the planet Mars is otherwise known as red planet. It has got two names. It can be called as red planet or the Mars. Children, listen carefully. So in 2068, humans colonize Mars, the red planet. Colonize means making Mars as a home for us. And India established 3 colonies, see, of this colonization, are making a place for us to live. India has made 3 colonies. And here is a beautiful character for us. That character is Arivumadi. It's a fine name, Arivumadi. She lived in one such colony. It's already in the past tense. The lesson is written in the past tense. So maybe the narrator, the author, writes that these things have already happened like. So Arivumadi lived in one such colony. And the earth is quite far away from the Mars. So her grandfather lived in earth. Now the distance between this Mars and the grandfather's house, that is earth, is 1500 kilometers. So the grandfather all the way travels from earth to this Mars, taking around 1500 kilometers. And to meet his granddaughter and wish her birthday. So that was the make. And when he went over there, he could find her. She was lying in a capsule. Now, what's a capsule? So, capsule is a cylindrical bed, like a cylindrical bed, wherein she was lying down. She was sleeping. So he was surprised to see her in such a bed, and she was also surprised to see him. And it took 3 souls. 3 souls means like 3 days. And okay, so it took 3 souls for him to reach that Mars. And here she was happy that she could meet her grandfather, and she could talk over to him, and she could explain how the things are in space and things like that. And another additional information I would like to give you is, which is also in your book, this 668 souls make 1 year in space in that Mars. For us, 365 days. So it takes more days in Mars for making a year. Altogether, 668 souls make a complete year, 1 year. 1 year there has 668 souls. Souls means like we say, how we say days. Okay. And this particular Arivu, she took her grandfather to a vegetarian hab. Hab means habitat where these plants will grow. So there she showed carrots. Carrots were not so tasty as in earth. As the grandfather tasted it, it was not so tasty, and it was not even healthy also. So he feels our earth is a fertile one. It has got fertile soil, and fruits and vegetables grow so well there, and they are very tasty, and they are very healthy also. And now human beings, they use these fertilizers and polluted things, and have destroyed the soil, the health of the soil, and thus even in the earth, the food products are these vegetables, and any product also are getting no taste and things like that. So he was feeling so bad, and this food and water, vegetables, these things were not so good, and they were not same as in earth also. In earth it is different, and in the Mars it was different. And the grandfather could see that they obtained water, but the water was got from the burning fuels. See, can you imagine burning fuels and the power of plants, power plants and things like that, they burn and then they get water, it seems. It's a wonder. And in earth, for us in the earth, the rain is the prime source. It's the source of all water. But in earth, we no need a space suit to walk on, or we don't need this oxygen cylinders. But in space, we need to wear a space suit, and we need to carry the oxygen cylinders. These are some of the changes, are the differences that grandfather noticed there on the Mars. And it takes a long time, there. Grandpa thought, oh, how and why we destroyed our home, a beautiful earth. Why did we destroy? Why did we pollute? Why we did not take care of it much? See what a beautiful place the earth is. Now everything is different here in Mars. And to which, while he was talking like this, the Arivu, his granddaughter, said, don't worry, grandfather. She consoled him. She consoled means she comforted him, saying, the scientists are trying now for a terraphase. The scientists are trying now how to make the Mars as good as this Earth. So they were trying to make some kind of climate and environment changes in these things in order that human beings can live so comfortably as they lived in the earth. And I don't know how this is going to be. Maybe you small kids, who are studying in 5th standard, you remember another 48 years later, you might have an experience, you might have a chance, a privilege to visit this Mars, maybe to make a home over there and to live maybe a comfortable life, because it's going to be quite a few years from now. So you can have a comfortable life over there. We do not know how things are going to change. We never imagined or we never dreamt of this coronavirus taking the whole world in its control. So likewise, life in Mars may be a different one, but anyhow, be prepared, be ready to face such type of changes. And coming to your homework, you need to refer to page number 81 for the synonyms. Synonyms are quite easy. Capsule, as already I said, it's a small cylinder shaped bed. Sol, one SOL, Sol, is a Martian solar day. Habitat. Fuels. Fuels is energy source for engines or power plants or reactors. Any one of the word you can learn. Survival, remain alive, adapting is modify or readjust, which is easy. You feel like you can choose that. Terraform, it's a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to human beings. Scientist, that scientist, people who are expert or good, very good in science, they are called as the scientist. And now moving on to page 82, you got choose the correct options. The options are given in order, and the sentences are also given. You choose the best ones. A day in Mars is called Sol, SOL, first one. Second one, take up your books, all of you. Dash is called the red planet. It's easy, answer is Mars is called the red planet. And our planet is called the Earth. Our planet currently where we live is the Earth. And we get water by burning what? Fuels there in the space. And the last one in the choose the correct option is the dash are trying to terraform Mars. That is astronomer. Okay, now fill in the blanks. The man destroyed the Earth. In the Earth we get water from rain. In Mars, dash, Earth days make a year. How many days I said already to you? It's 668 days. Okay. And you don't need dash and dash in the Earth. You don't need, you don't have to wear a space suit and carry oxygen cylinders. Fruits, vegetables, water in the Mars are not so tasty and not so healthy also. So that's these are the fill in the blanks. And going to the answers in the same page. What is the setting of the story? The scene setting of the story is in Mars. Okay. Name the vegetables. Vegetable, particularly, it's a carrot. What is a sol? It's a day in space. How many sols? 668 sols make a year. How is water produced in Mars? Water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. In this story, what happened to the earth? What happened to the earth? The earth has been destroyed or polluted. And what should we do to save the earth? So many things we need to change. So many things we need to do in order to save our earth. First of all, we shouldn't cut plants and trees. If at all we cut a tree or a plant, immediately we should plant a new ones in those places or wherever around our house, anywhere, wherever it is possible. We need to plant many of the trees, and we should not throw the garbage and things as we like. That has to be separated, like gradable, non-gradable, all those scientific terms, So keep these things away and save our earth by not polluting, not using many of the vehicles and using the government vehicles. There are many easy ways by which we can see that our earth is kept pure and clean, so that we can live longer in this beautiful home. And then as you come to the usage part in page number 84, you got some compound words, 84 and 83. 83 onwards, the compound words are given as your usage. The compound words are nothing. If you put two or more words together, particularly two words together, they give a different meaning. If one word means, it's a different meaning. If those one word is split into two words, then you get different meanings. Example is given here. One lighthouse is there. That's a root word. Okay, lighthouse. It's split into two, light and house. Thus you get the word, a compound word as lighthouse. And see there, next one, you have an envelope, mail, and a box there. So you have mailbox. We post our letters in the mailbox. And the next part, there is a watch. Picture of a watch and a picture of a man. That is watchman. And you have a star and a fish. Starfish. Then you have the rain and the bow picture, rainbow. And you have 1 foot and a ball. So football, it's made as football. And now page number 84, you have news and a paper, newspaper. A boy, a man is reading newspaper. Wheel, you have a wheel plus one chair, wheelchair. And you have a basket and a ball, basketball. This is how compound words are written, used. And you have here the match the following. I am not going to do it. To do it by your own self. Read it, see the pictures carefully and match them up. And here next one, D, you have draw and write your own compound word. You make as many as 5 words in this empty columns, empty box, and see that all those 5 words are drawn and written, and you get a new compound word. And E, in the same page, connect the compound words and create a new word. You have here, you have 2 such words in one side and 1 word in one side. Cup and board, cupboard. Okay. So likewise, cow and dash, door is there and boy is there. Cowboy, moon and light, moonlight. Rain and coat, raincoat. So most of the answers I only gave. Anyhow, you children can learn it up. This first unit, only first part, the prose is over for you. And in the next class, we will be covering the poem. After the poem, I will be coming with you for the non-detailed short story is given there for you. That we will see too. And right after this first unit is over, we will have a test. Maybe a monthly test like we will have. After that, after completing the second lesson, we can go for a midterm test. So keep learning, keep on learning. Smile all of you always with your parents, and enjoy your quarantine time with your parents and with your lessons. See you all. Bye-bye.